Good morning. Ow. All right. Welcome to a productive day of my life, but I'm starting at 12:30 p.m. Listen, I actually woke up at like 9 a.m. today and had a call with my lawyer. That sounds fancier than it needs to be. She's not like my lawyer necessarily, it's just like a lawyer. But anyway, the call lasted 5 minutes because we said all that we needed to say. And then I spent 3 hours on TikTok. And then I watched 27 dresses while playing Tetris. Actually, if you ask me, that's a productive morning. I did a lot, just not what I was supposed to do. So I'm not gonna waste the day away. We have lots to do. Just because the morning I had makes me feel shitty about myself does not mean that's the same energy we're gonna carry throughout the day. Let's go. Firstly, I am working on my condo renovation series, which is not going swimmingly. I will say, there have been so many delays, and if you're not caught up, I'll link the series down below. Basically, I bought a condo and I'm re-renovating it completely from scratch, demolishing everything. And it's been, I mean, I knew it was gonna be stressful, but I didn't know there were gonna be this many complications, obviously, because like, you don't know until you actually do it. So there's been a flooding, there have been contractor delays, there have been supplying delays. So everything, like I started this process like 3 months ago, and it was supposed to be finished like 2 months ago. And I still think there's gonna be at least another month left. And I guess that's just how it is. But I can't wait for it to be finished and for me to buy furniture and move in. But currently I am going through the footage of the second episode and going through where I need to add in some voiceovers or talking to camera bits. So I'm scripting those out right now because some parts are like, for example, these are the clips that I have, and then I'll just insert like what I need to say. So for something like this, it's not really scripted because I kind of know the general gist. A few days later, this will be like a text screen. But then for here, I need to like script out the whole thing. So I did a bunch of that last night because I stayed up until like 3 a.m. for absolutely no reason. I was just like, I'm just gonna edit until I have no more energy left. So I kind of did that, and now I'm just gonna do the rest of it and then put on my makeup and then film it. Also, if you hear this, doesn't my laptop sound like it's about to take off? Like it's about to like blast off into the stratosphere and orbit the earth? I've had this laptop since 2015, and it's like my whole life is on here. All my work is on here. My life depends on it. It's 7 years old. Why do I not have a new laptop? When I do eventually get a new laptop though, I will be putting this collage back on because I love it. I absolutely love it. Anyway, a few days later, after the dryers had been drying for okay, I just finished writing out the script for everything. It's about 2 pages long, and I finished recording the voiceovers that are just voiceovers. And now I'm gonna film the talking portion that's like where I'm gonna be on camera. So I'm gonna put on some makeup. Bro, I'm obsessed with peaches lately. This is my second peach of the day. Also, I'm wearing a peach shirt. Babes, this was not planned. I was gonna start putting on my makeup, but then I got hungry. And I started eating chips, but I was like, this is not productive for me. So I'm eating another peach. And I'm continuing 27 dresses. All right, let's talk. I feel like lately, I've just been having zero motivation to do anything. Honestly, I have been feeling like that for the past like 4 years of my life. And I feel like I'm just existing a lot of the times, and I'm just like doing what I'm supposed to do to be a normal person. Like, I don't feel depressed, but most days I'm not like happy, you know what I mean? Like, I just exist. Like, I just feel neutral. I don't know if people normally feel like happy every day. Like, I'm not sad. I'm just like here, you know what I mean? And I don't really know if that's like what you're supposed to feel or if that's not normal. I don't know. Like, I have done a lot of cool things in the past couple years, and I've had like really great moments, but I feel like they're not like sustained feelings of happiness in general, you know what I mean? Because I have been actually depressed. Like, I was going to therapy and everything, and this is not what it feels like. But maybe it's just life. Like, I don't know if this is just like cynical of me or if I'm just trying to cope. But I feel like it's almost better to not feel happy all the time, because then you have a balance. If you only have good things happening, then some of the good things start feeling like they're not good things, and I guess you just don't really have as much appreciation for the good things that happen in your life. So I feel like there needs to be a balance. But again, maybe I'm just trying to rationalize my personal feelings right now. Also, I need to show you this tragedy. This is my favorite blush, and I accidentally smashed it when I was traveling. So I've been keeping it in a plastic bag. This is, ooh. Yeah, that's literally smithereens, bro. The funny thing, the gag is, this is the second time that I've smashed it. The first time I put it back together with that rubbing alcohol trick, which I probably still will end up doing because I love this blush so much, but it's just not been very convenient to use, as you can imagine. Ooh. I'm almost done to do my eyebrows. Oi, that's clumpy. Oh my god, what is going on? Oh god, that's not good. They're huge, they're huge, they're huge. I'm gonna clean it up. Okay, I don't know if it looks better, but let me put you onto my favorite makeup products recently. They're both from Rare Beauty, not spons. Although, Selena Gomez, if you want to sponsor me, I will not complain. So first of all, I have gotten so many compliments on this highlighter, but I've been wearing it for like 6 months, and I just don't see myself ever running out of this. It's gigantic, and I literally have to like wipe off all the excess. I use the tiniest bit when I put it on. Like I literally just, that's literally all I need. Like, hello? It's so pretty. I've gotten so many compliments from girls on the street, and that is all the validation I need. And then I also put like a tiny bit on the tip of my nose. Like literally the smallest dab you can do. There we go. So pretty. I haven't seen anybody talk about these, but I love these like tinted balms. They kind of look like lip glosses, but they feel like a lip balm. So I use a couple different shades. This one I just discovered and I really like it. It's nearly mauve, and it's like my perfect everyday lip balm vibe. It's so pretty, and it's just like so moisturizing. So I love it. I also use 2 other ones, but I don't know where they are right now, so I don't know the names of them. I was gonna say something else. Oh yeah, I still have this weird thing about like putting on lip products in public, especially ones that look like colored lip products. Like I have no problem putting on lip balm, but I feel really embarrassed putting on lipstick or lip gloss on in public. I don't know why. Maybe I still have like internalized I'm not like other girls complex from like 10 years ago, where it's like, oh, you put on makeup, but like clearly I wear makeup, like everyone can tell. So why am I embarrassed to put it on in public? Like, calm down. Does anybody else feel like that? It's just like embarrassing. Anyway, ooh, it is currently 3:50. I don't know how it took me so long, but I need to film the eclipse and then I need to zoom off because I need to do some other stuff outside that I'll update you in a bit. Okay, I literally have like 2 minutes to record this because I dicked around too long and now I have run out of time. I don't know how this happened. Let's see, get this out of the way. Okay, let me set the scene. Let me set the scene for you. Let me set the scene for you. Imagine you're in Paris having the time of your life. Imagine you're in Paris having the time of your life. Okay, I just finished filming and I am so late. So I am going to head off. Ah! Okay, let's go. Oh God, I'm running so late. Basically, I am off to rehearsal right now because I'm playing my second show ever. Woo! And I want to sound good, obviously. I've actually never gone to this festival before, but it's called Vancouver Mural Festival. It's not a music festival, but I'm playing alongside 3 other local artists, and they're all girlies, which is so cool and so fun. I think a lot of why I've been unmotivated recently is because I'm spending a lot of time on stuff that I don't prefer to do. Like, I'm really passionate about making music, and like for the near future, that's kind of the route that I want to go on, because it's a new challenge and a new creative outlet that I haven't been able to explore as much as like YouTube stuff. But at the same time, like, I haven't done DIYs in a while, and the other day I was making a thrift flip, and it was like the first time I sewed in a couple months, and I was like, this is really fun. And I remembered why I like it so much. I think I just maybe need a break from it. I've been doing so many DIYs like every day for the past 10 years. Obviously I haven't done it in the past couple months, but before that I was doing it for like 8 years. Yeah, it's just kind of a weird and like difficult transition to go from DIY to music. So I'm just trying to figure that out, because like the music industry is really weird and there's so much to figure out. Like, you can just see from the music TikTokers on TikTok that the girlies are just trying anything to go viral, and I get it. I really get it. You know, I'm also trying, but I don't know if I'm that desperate yet. But maybe there will come a day. I don't know. Anyway, stream my music. It's all under Gen Z. More to come. I'll see you at rehearsal.
If you want, I can finish that off too. If you want me to do that.
Ooh, yeah, that's cool.
I can't pretend I don't need you. I can't pretend I don't love you.
That first chorus hits so hard. I was literally at my desk just like this.
Jamming out.
Yeah, like seriously.
Prayers I found between the bed and the sheets. My succulents died a million times. Now where do I get my oxygen? Guess I gotta go outside a normal person. Now you're screaming all your thoughts, and now you're right back at you. Mutually exclusive with two different points of view. Now
Love it. Just finished the session and I'm ready to leave. Okay, as I was saying earlier, I just got done at rehearsals. It was really good. I'm so hungry. It's currently 7 p.m. but right now I'm actually near my condo, so I'm gonna go check out the progress, and I'll see you there. I am at the condo. I am gonna show you a little sneak peek. Oh! The cabinets are in the kitchen! I just filmed a little update for the video. Still looking very demolished, but things are finally picking up. Driving on the way home now. It is colossally raining. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat lunch today. My stomach is legitimately digesting its own lining right now, and I don't appreciate it. Yeah, that is all to say I'm very hungry. Anyway, 20 minutes until I get to eat. Hello, it is now much later. Oh, it is much later. Anyway, I got home, I ate dinner, and I have been editing for a couple hours. I will say, for the 12 hours that I have been doing things, I've been doing a lot. It didn't complete my checklist, but I always tend to do this thing where I overfill my to-do list and make it like super, honestly, over-ambitious. And I kind of feel bad about myself at the end of the day for not completing the task, but I'm kind of used to it at this point. But yeah, I did a lot, called with my lawyer, I scripted a video, I filmed the video, I went to rehearsal, went to the condo to film some clips for the condo video, answered some emails. Babes, I want to say that's a pretty productive day. And now I'm really, really tired because I only slept 5 hours last night. So let's get ready for bed. It is the end of the night. I am all ready for bed and it's like 2 a.m. I feel so exhausted. Obviously it's 2 a.m. Wait, no. No, it is 2 I'm just, you know when like your brain, like everything in your brain makes sense, but like what comes out of your mouth is like, huh? So I think that just means it is time to kiss goodnight. And thanks for coming along this productive day with me. Make sure to stream my music, Gen Z, new stuff coming so soon. Can't wait for you to hear it. And I love you guys so much. Anyway, good night.